Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out these PrunePro Pruning Shears, and PrunePro was nice enough to send these over to us for us to check out. Now I went ahead and tried these out in the front yard. They work really well. Easy to use these. It has this nice little mechanism on here, and then you just boom like that, and then you can easily operate the pruning shears. Opens up pretty wide right there, and it does have like a little adjustment on here, so you can adjust how wide these go. So if you don't want them to go all the way, you can do that. You don't have to worry about them springing out on you, which can kind of make your hand a little tired, especially if you're pruning a whole bunch. But if you do need them to go wider, you can do that right there. But like I said, if you're doing the smaller stuff, you might want to keep it, probably as small as it can go. Because look at that, I mean, it's got a nice little grip on there, and then boom, super sharp, it's gonna take care of everything. And then whenever you're done, you just lock them up, stow them away, and you are good to go. So if you're looking for some nice pruning shears, go ahead and check out these ones here from PrunePro.